Hi there everybody, it's UK Independent Demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.com. Thank you for joining me today. Today is a really quick video to show you something magical. So I've got these two stamps here, which is from the Floral Essence Photopolymer stamp set. Love it, by the way, but I'm not actually really going to show you much stamping with that. I'm just going to bring in my lovely lipstick, and every stamper who is OCD about their stamps is going to have a little heart attack now. And you'll notice that this one here is a lot cleaner than this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my lovely lipstick, and I've just got a piece of scrap grid paper because I can't stamp on clean grid paper. It's just too tidy for me. I can't mess it up. So I'm just going to stamp a couple of times and get that nice and red and bright. I'm also going to come in with a little one, and I'm going to do the same. And you'll notice now they're kind of the same colour because I've been using the bright coloured ink. Just going to move that out the way. I'm going to take it to my Simply Chamois. I love these. I also quite enjoy, we have the Stamp and Scrub, and I quite enjoy these as well. So let's have a look. I'm going to grab my Stampin' Mist, and the way you use the Stampin' Scrub is you look in the corner and that's water, so I add on the spray. This is here sun, so that's the dry bit. So I'm going to take the big one and I'm going to clean it on the water and clean it on the sun. And that's how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to grab my chamois and I'm going to wipe it on the chamois. Still pink. This is where the magic happens. This is the stamp cleaning pad that just seemed to sneak into the old annual catalogue. I didn't even notice this was in there. I was flicking through the one day and I thought, what's that? And I was more looking on the website than the catalogue, and it just snuck in. So it's a bit of a surprise. I've already used it loads, can you see? So I'm just going to grab my stamp and we'll use that one as a base because I think they're both about the same pink now. I'm going to rub this into my stamping pad, and I don't know whether you can see it foams. Keep it foaming. Keep going. Then I'm going to grab the stamp. I'm just going to rub it off on my chamois. Go again. Now this is actually quite cheap, this pad. It wasn't pricey. I've got my catalogue just behind me. I'll have a look in a second and tell you how much it was. I'm just going to go in the middle as well because I've got a little dot in the middle. That's going to annoy me. Rub again. Going to go around my block now. So what was that? 2 scrubs on that and then wiped it over with the chamois twice. The colour's coming off. You can see where this is going. This is going to fade and it's going to come back to your normal colour, and it's not going to be as bright red as that one. I mean, they're both clean. If I bring this back through and stamp this one off, no imprint, and this one, no imprint. So they're both clean. It's just that this one is getting back to the photopolymer colour so much easier. And this, I mean, this was red when it first started. So I've used a lot of red on this one, and this stamp pad's new. So this was Legacy red, and it's already started to do that. Magical. So now I know about it, I'm going to want to use it on all of my stamps to get them all clean. And it's still frothing, still quite good. The only thing I'm going to need to work out now is how to clean my cleaning pad. I know. Oh, my block's got wet now. Yeah, it's doing pretty magical stuff. Look out for it in the catalogue. So where in the catalogue is it? Let me just grab the catalogue. It was towards the back. There it is. Stamping cleaning pad, and oh, and there's a refill for it. So that would be how it does. When using on cling stamps, rinse stamp with water immediately after use to protect the adhesive on the cling label, as a warning underneath. But I was using it on photopolymer. But yes, £7 for the pad and £3.50 for the refill. So that's pretty good. And it's tiny. You could just put that in with your stamps. Don't miss it in the catalogue. Thanks, guys.